Hello, this is Lou from Enormis Mobile Specialties. Our local Brookside Fire Department came to us. They had a budget, and they already had the equipment. They wanted us to do a nice high-quality installation, so that's what you see here. We've got dual light heads, red and white LEDs on the front grille. We see the overhead wheel and light bar. Here's the close-up of the grille lights. And then here is a close-up of the wheel and light bar and the wiring that we ran through into the cab. We are utilizing the factory Ford switches, keep costs down. These operate the lights. Here is the radio and siren controller supplied by the fire department that we installed. Here's the exterior of the truck from the side. And then here is another view of that. We also installed some lights on the rear, down low by the bumper there. And that's a close-up. Thanks for watching.